This video is about process costing. In this example of process costing is of bottling manufacturing. We call our method and pass in the manufacturing process data. We get the process costing for bottling manufacturing. I will show you how to make this function method now. Process costing has self and manufacture process data as arguments. Manuf variable is shorthand for the data dictionary. Raw inventory variable is raw WIP blending plus raw WIP bottling. Factory labor variable is labor WIP blending plus labor WIP bottling. Manufacturing overhead variable is manufacturing WIP blending plus manufacturing WIP bottling. Blend variable is blending department. Bottle variable is bottling department. And we print out this information. Inside our management.py file we have the data dictionary. We call our method and pass in the manufacture process data. Raw materials inventory is $22,000. Factory labor is $17,000. Manufacturing overhead is $8,500. Work in process blending is $19,000 and $11,000 for bottling. And that concludes this video.